Welcome to September 22nd's LeetCode challenge, maximum length of a concatenated string with unique characters. Given an array of strings array, string S is a concatenation of the subsequence of array which have unique characters. Return the maximum number of possible length of S. So we see we're given an array of strings S in here, and we want to be able to find the longest maximum possible length of S, which is a concatenation of each other. So we see that we can return empty set, we can return an empty array, we can return an array of just the first element, an array of the second element, an array of the third element, or a concatenation of the first and second, or the third, second and third. So you see some kind of pattern here, right? It's kind of like the power set almost. Likewise, you can make a concatenation here, so you could have each character, empty character, the empty string. You can have each character individually, and then you could return basically the two pairs together. But ideally, you could return basically, if you return basically the concatenation of this character and this character, that will be size 6. You can return this character and this character, that will be size 6 as well. And you can return this and that. That's pretty much it. And if you have a very large array of size, a large string of the array of size 1, then we would just return the string that's inside it. Array of the length is less than 16, between 1 and 16. Each letter is between all characters of the English alphabet, so it's all lowercase. Try all combinations, keep the mask character if you need it. This is using bit masking technique. I'm not going to use that, or you use dynamic programming. I'm actually going to try just do this iteratively first. I mean, probably not the best idea, but I mean, I think it works. So let's call this a result set, right? And it's going to basically store an empty string in the beginning. And this is going to basically make all the possible combinations. So initialize the results with an empty string from which we can build all future results onto. And then we're going to have an output, which is going to be our best or maximum length output, which is going to be 0 so far. And then let's iterate through it for word in array. I'm just going to use for string and array. This makes more sense of the question. We only need to iterate through the results that exist prior to this loop, so we need to actually do a nested loop for it. So for, let's say, each element or each index I in the range of each word, or the length of results, I should say, we are going to basically iterate through our resulting answer. Results array, I should say. So from the new results combination, and we're going to use it to check for duplicate characters, we want to say update our new results. I'm going to call it new results, right? And that's going to be results at element I, or index I, plus our string inside the word string. If the length of our new results is not equal to the length of the set of the new results, then we are going to continue. So ideally, we want to form basically a new result combination and using a set to check for duplicates, right? We don't, if it's not like, if the length of new results is not equal to the set of new results, then we're going to continue because we don't want any duplicates in our new results. And if we don't have any duplicates for the results, we're going to basically continue add the valid options of results to our results array here. And we're going to keep track of the longest character so far. I mean, the longest string length so far. So it'll be results. Actually, I put results with S. Just feels better that way. Boom, boom. 10 new results. And then we're going to keep our output, which is going to be our best answer so far. And that's going to be the maximum between our output that we have and the length of our new results. So this, once again, this is an iterative solution. It's not really the best approach out there. Return our output. Because, it mentions here we could use bit masking and also dynamic programming, which are relatively quicker solutions, but I think that the iterative approach, oh, I'm messing something up. New results, new results, new results, and new results. Submit that. All right, so the solution here would be actually big O of n squared, which is not the best because we loop through the array, and then we loop through the results of the array as well. And yeah, it'd be n squared, so which is not the greatest. No, 2 to the n, I should say, to the n, in terms of time complexity. For space complexity, we store everything inside a resulting type array, so it would be big O of n. So it's not the best approach, but it works. That's pretty much it. Have a great day, guys.